Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers, and today we're going to go over a custom-built machine that we had requested. The customer is actually a stockbroker, and he needed at least 6 monitors working at once. So according to get the 6 monitors working, we went ahead and put 2 video cards in there, and as you can see, it's got 6 different ports, 3 on each video card, so he's able to hook up 6 monitors so he can basically look at all the stock markets and all the little features that he needs to do at once. The system is actually coming with a i7 8-core processor. We got the MSI Z370 motherboard in there. It has a 750 watt power supply to make sure it gets all the power for the video cards and everything else running inside of it. We did do a 500 solid state drive, so that way he has all the information and it's running real quick and smooth for him. So if you're ever looking for like a custom built machine, regardless of, if you need it for photo editing, stock market, any type of job that you need, we can definitely build it for you. Just give us a call, we can help you out, 281-647-99.